Yes, all good.
Yes, thank you. So first of all, thank you everyone, all the panelists who have joined the call today and everyone who have joined the call. So today from JCI Quatre-Bornes, we are very excited to celebrate the International Human Duties Day, where JCI has came forward to the UN, where we have gave a petition to declare the 10th July as the International Human Duties Day. So what does that mean is we all know that as human citizens all across the world, our island, everywhere, we have the rights, we have the human rights, but we want that human rights come forward with responsibilities. So that's why we came up with this day to declare 10th July as the Human Duties Day. So as JCI is an international organization where you can see JCI in many countries around the world, in different continents, where we have different activities, different projects. So declaring the 10th July as International Human Duties Day, this will serve as a reminder for all individuals to reflect on their roles, their responsibilities as a citizens, and to have a kindness and a civic responsibility and to serve in the community service. So we will have a chance as from now on to celebrate each year the International Human Duties Day. So that's why today in Mauritius, the JCI Quatre-Bornes has came up forward to have a roundtable discussion with different leaders across the island to know what is the importance of Human Duties Day. And if you have any question, you can ask what is human right, what is human duties. We can reflect on that all together today to commemorate this inaugural International Human Duties Day. So thank you, Jeevesh.
Thank you very much. I will now proceed with the introduction of the panel. Today, joining us from all around the world, we have Ssrirupa K. Wawgge. I hope I've pronounced it well. She's an occupational health and safety officer, a certified public speaker and trainer, a communications coach, a Toastmaster, and a coach and mentor at the Rotary Foundation, and has been collaborating with GCI on a range of trainings. So she'll be speaking to us today. We also have Mr. Kevalkumar Shah, who is an active member and past president of GCI Navsari. He is also the personal assistant to this year's 2024 GCI World President Kevalkumar. He has more than 20 years of higher education experience and has been ranked first in Gujarat CMA exam and 10th in India at national level. He's an entrepreneur and career strategist and holds an MBA. We are also joined by Muhammad Joolfoo, whom you've just listened to, who is an engineer by profession and a part-time lecturer. He's currently the president of JCI Quatre-Bornes, very passionate about social work, and also a PhD candidate in artificial intelligence and telecommunications, and has already published 5 research papers. From GCI as well, we have Senator Auntie Mewa, who is a meta coach and entrepreneur. She has a wide range of experience in business development, training, and human resources, as well as business management qualifications from the University of Sunderland, and is an active JCI member. And we have also with us today Ms. Aleeyah Lallmahomed, who is the CEO of the Coetzee Group and a barrister at law. She is also a national consultant on gender and equality with the government of Mauritius. And she's also a part-time lecturer in law, a certified anti-money laundering specialist, and a member of the Council of Religions of Mauritius. So she has completed her bar from the University of Northumbria, has a master en droit from the University of Île de la Réunion, an LLB from Greenwich University, and a licence en droit français from Paris Panthéon, Alsace. So we have quite a range of people with us today, and we will be talking about human duties. Now, we've all heard about human rights, the Declaration of Human Rights, and in complement to that, it has been proposed that we also have a Universal Declaration of human duties, of responsibilities. And you will see that JCI has launched this petition, and some of the main headers that we want to talk about, we want to tackle, include a duty as a human being to preserve life, to serve humanity, to be sustainable so that we have a brighter future, to pursue prosperity, to respect human personality, to educate ourselves and teach others, to be responsible leaders so that we can create an environment of mutual respect. So